Hello, 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 hello. We are live, we are live. Today is the day, guys. Today is the day that I will post the clip to my close friends. I haven't picked my close friends, so this is going to take some time. What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? It's going to take some time. Let's have some music. It's going to take some time. We'll relax. Today is the day I am going to be sharing my channel on my socials. We're good. We're good. So my manager saw my channel the other day and he was like, in a stream, I spent around like 15 minutes just like trying to take an instrument picture. It was bad. It was bad. I definitely agree. This is bad. So I was saying like the other day, I showed my channel to my manager and he mentioned that like I spent like 15 minutes just trying to like take a picture of my Instagram stream, which is weird. Like I agree. And I don't want to do that today, so I'm just like going with some like random ass non-aesthetic picture. Just this. It's not great, but I think we're good. We can push this. I need link to the stream. I'm doing it for the first time, guys. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. I moved this off stream, but then I wanted to get that red live button. Picture of this. This red. I think it's pretty hot. And this is a better angle. I think I should take an image like this. This is what my It's okay, guys. Or बताओ और बताओ और बताओ और बताओ और बताओ और बताओ bam para 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 bam. I must not sing. I have some fun ideas that I wanted to do today. Last night I went rogue. I spent like 2-3 hours on that dumb idea which is what I worked on yesterday's stream, but then it wasn't looking aesthetic. So last night I did some extra shit with Claude. I built something very nice. I'll so that is one of so that's what I wanted to like clip in today's stream. But let me post it on Instagram. Meanwhile, why don't we play something here? take a minute or two or five. Adding around like 21 folks, which I think is a little too much, but I think it's okay. We'll work with it. So the thing is, anyway, most of the folks are not going to like bother opening, so there's going to be like huge drop off there. But I think the lesser the better, because I like to keep things chill. I didn't put any story. I'm very scared of getting copyrighted again. It's another thing that I have to keep my eye out for. What is this song? I want this song in my story. I think it's called Venus. Mouse on Venus or something. The thing is, the chances are most people are going to be looking at this stream. At least a few of them. And all of them are going to be introduced to the stream with this video, which is going to be bad because it has a really long prolonged start where I'm just like bullshitting. No. Bullshitting to post a random story. So bad, dude. The user flow is bad. I will maybe do this someday, but let me just like post a story for now. There's no filter. Okay, I posted. Never mind. We'll see how it goes. If nothing happens, then I just like. So I put it in my close friends for now, the Instagram story. But we might open it up to all later. Okay, let's. Sorry, guys, I have to check. I need to make sure if all the people that I want are here or not. Alright, I think fine. I think it's fine. Let's go. It is fine. It's, I also do not like that I do not get to see the number of viewers seeing the stream. Anyway, let's get started. I want to write the agenda. Get copied. Okay. So first thing, I want to clip farm two things. One, let's do the LinkedIn to Reddit, Reddit to LinkedIn insights. Then let's do the marriage market estimator. This I will probably put it on my Instagram story too, so maybe, or reel, we never know. So we'll have to take a good clip out there. For that I want to make some changes to my website. Before all of this, I had another great idea. दिन में बस एक idea the other idea that I wanted to work on was the Secret Santa app. So I was actually I was in vibe coding and majority, like I was just going through like some of the posts. This is the first time I'm on this page, and look at the kind of comments. Like it's just cruel. Wait a second. There were like a lot of trolls in this dude. So I was a little skeptical if there is a market for vibe coding or not. What the hell is happening? I have no clue what just happened here. No idea what just happened. I wanted to show some memes, but I couldn't find any, so never mind. But yeah, I don't know. Why was I talking about vibe coding? I have no clue. Yeah, never mind. Also wanted to create a quick task. I realized I need to learn Git well. No, some, like, to be honest, like I know very little. I know the absolute minimum of how GitHub works, and I need to get better. I need to get better at this because I've been pushing a lot of things to my actual GitHub repo, so this is a little important. Okay, I think let's get started with clip farming. Let's start with this. So this is something that I've built on Stream and init and workflow. Let me show it to you. I need to open up some pages for it. Our data engineering. these games later. All right, let's log in. Okay, so what this essentially does is, so whenever I start this workflow, right, it first goes into data engineering, picks up like top 5 good posts from that. Uh, it reads through it, and then it does a GPT call on top of it. Let me actually start again. I was not on a good angle. Let me put on my glasses. Okay, so what this workflow essentially does is it generates LinkedIn content from Reddit posts. The way it works is it goes into our data engineering. It picks up like top 5 posts from here, and then it does a GPT call on top of it. It essentially reads through those stories and it generates like a lesson or a takeaway from it, and then it sends me an email for approval. And once I get the email, I can read through that post. If it looks good, I can say yes, let's post it. If it doesn't, I can just like make some edits and then post it. And once I give my approval on mail, it automatically makes an LinkedIn post. So that's the workflow. It had some issues in the past. I think it is fixed now. Oh, it's not fixed. To make one edit here. I've run into this issue offline and off stream, so let me do the fix, and then I'll tell you like what was the issue and then like how we fixed it. This might not work on the first try, but we'll fix it post that. Now we fixed it. Want to save this? I'll tell you the issue. So this content, right? This post, it kept giving me random field names here. So now it is post. Earlier it was like LinkedIn post and all of that. So I had a logic here to handle like different kind of uh, field names here, but it was working sometimes, it was not working sometimes. So I wanted to have like more robust things. So I forced the prompt to give me the output only with that post field name. So now I think it should pretty much listen to the instructions and keep returning the field name as post only. So I think this would work, but I've saved it as well. Let me quickly do the demo again for the clip farm. Okay, so this is an n8n workflow what it essentially does right now as an MVP is, whenever I start the workflow, it goes into our data engineering, it reads to the top posts, and then it does a GPT call on top of it to generate an LinkedIn post from that. So the LinkedIn post can be like a lesson or a key takeaway or something that's like interesting, right? And it creates a LinkedIn post. Now this LinkedIn post is sent onto my email for my approval. So once I get the email, I can read through it. If the post looks good, I can approve it, and it goes to it gets posted on my LinkedIn automatically. And let's say I need to make some edits to the post, I can do that too, and then I can approve that post, and then it again goes onto my LinkedIn to post. Let's see it in action. Fingers crossed this time, but I'm pretty sure it will work. Okay, so now I must have gotten an email. Let me quickly refresh. This is the LinkedIn post approval. 10/17, 9/16, that is the time right now. Seven sixteen. So this is the post. In a fast evolving tech world, sharing knowledge, experiences, open this is a dumb post, and I do not want to post, and I do not want to like approve it. So I think it'll just like stay like this. Now let's just to randomize this. Instead of saying 5, let me pull up top 20 posts, so that maybe we'll find something better, because that post, it was absolute dump. So it starts again. Now I must get another email. Let me refresh. Got an email. It looks like a good post. So it's not very straightforward, but the workflow that I have right now is I copy the entire thing, I click on respond, and I paste that same response. And if I want to make some edits to it, I can do it here. For example, say I don't font m dashes. I don't like the CTA, right? And then I hit submit, and it should automatically be posted on my LinkedIn. Let me quickly refresh. Let it load, let it load, let it load. Unreal internet speed is what I would say. Posted, right? I don't want this in, so I'll just like quickly delete this. But that's the idea of this workflow. Fetches post from Reddit, does the GPT call on top of it, sends an email for approval. It is the human in the loop workflow. Then it makes a LinkedIn post. So this is the idea. So that was one project that I've built here in the stream. I was actually pretty happy with this, with how this turned out. So that was one I wanted to show you in. I wanted to show you guys. I will clip this. Now let me close this. Okay, before I do the next one, let's play some games, because I need to have some fun. Actually, my brother called me. Let's see. What's the Sorry, Instagram story. You're always like little psyched. Uh, let's do it. I want to get a really good score. This is all symmetric, which I do not like. What should be my next move? Staring at the screen for too long. Too long, too long, too long, too long. Poya, high score poya laga. What am I missing? That's it. Yeah. Wait. The moon can be here. But I can have the same logic here also. To get it. Oh yeah. This is this is an embarrassing play. I must have not. Boom. Is it bad? I don't want to be less than my average. What is the average? Too soon. That's not good. slow. Too slow, Sandeep. Too slow. This will pakka have one thing. Two, three. Third one can be this or this or this. That was good. Well placed. Oh my god, this is so slow. I don't want to do it. Wonder why I couldn't figure out. Down game. Again, another embarrassment. Corporate terms, I don't know. Things that break. No, you don't break a red line. I think you can break a red line. Things that spin. Flip. Ah, that was a good one. Oh my god, everybody is going to see. Opposites of both soft and easy. so good. Good. Bean curd, I was never going to get it. Mansa is crazy. Mansa is a friend. This is flawless. I used a hint. The logic is flawed. Anywho. Anywho. Second demo of the day. Yes, this is also on my other stream. So yesterday in this stream I was building something. By the end of the stream it looked something like this. It's like two down. So I'll give context on what I was building yesterday. So it's essentially like a marriage estimator. This file is also updated, so if I reload it it'll change completely, so I don't want to reload it. But this is how the website was looking yesterday in the stream. Oh my god, so many filters. Hi. So essentially the top of the funnel is total number of population in India, which is not right. I think there is a height filter that, yeah, this is the total amount of population in India, which is little high because for some reason, okay, this is the debugger that I have, and if you look at it, the state ratio is adding up to 1.113, so that's why the number is slightly spiked. But then the top of the funnel is total number of people in India, and as you keep adding more and more people, your number of matches decreases, right? So that was the idea, to do a guesstimate on the total number of matches. Wait, I have to do a clip for this. Not this, the other one. But that's the idea, that as you keep adding more filters, what happens to your pool of matches that are available to you. So this is the idea. I actually got inspiration of, like, at least I wouldn't call it inspiration, but whatever this stupid thing is, like, I got an inspiration to build it from a movie, which I want to put it in the clip. Like, I want to add a clip of that in my clip farm, so I'll play it. But that was the idea, to estimate the number of matches that you have according to the filters that you've put. This is not the so this is what I was doing on stream yesterday. The stream ended at, like, say 8 p.m. 9 p.m. yesterday, but post that I was a little bored, so I was actually working pretty late in the night. I made the commits at, say, 3 a.m. I think. That's 17 hours ago. This is what, 17 hours from now is around like 2 a.m. types. So that is what I did last night. I actually pushed it onto my personal website. I don't like the entire build, but I'll clean this up. So this is the MVP. This is what I've done after. This is what I've built like after. So whatever code I had, I pushed it onto Claude and then I asked it to make some aesthetic changes, and this is what the final product looks like. This I will do a clip farm for. Before that, I want to open that clip on clip that I was talking to you about for the inspiration bit. I'll go off stream and I find it. Don't want to do it on stream because copyrights and stuff. I heard a peep. You have the absolute little volume.
I want to prioritize dating a man who's white at first.
Let me actually pause the audio here too because I'm very scared about getting copyright. Okay, I think we can start the clip farm. Okay, so the day I was watching this movie Materialist, and that's when I found this scene. I'll quickly play it.
If the service I was providing you was building you a man, then of course I could build you a man with everything on this list. But I can't. Because this is not a car or a house.
I know the
So
list
look at
looks
that
long,
list.
but I deserve someone who fulfills
The
all of my
people.
criteria. I really do. I mean, look at me. I'm a catch.
We're talking about a house.
I know.
So I was watching this movie Materialist the other day, and there was this one scene in which a girl hands out. Basically, the heroine in this movie is a matchmaker, and the girl just like passes on a list of the all the criteria that she has to get a man, right? Of and
I know
this
the
like
list looks
scene.
long, but I deserve someone who fulfills all of my criteria. I really do. I mean, look at me. I'm a catch.
So that was the inspiration, and that's when I actually built this. Like, I wanted to build a real life version of it, which essentially tells you if I have certain filters to get married, what are the what does the market size for me look like. So that's when I built this. This this is exactly that. So there are like bunch of filters in here, and if you add in, and this is like the overall population of India. There are some like what do you say, inaccuracies and flaws with the logic in Ethernet, but we'll come to that later. But I think this gives like an overall high level okay-ish idea. uh, if you have different filters, what does your market look like? So that is the goal. Let's actually do it again. These are not my preferences, I'm just like putting in these numbers, but let's just like try playing around with it and see how the numbers look like. Let's put the lower range as 22, the upper range as 28. The females, let's pick Christians. Oof, 4.2 million matches. Let's also look for like single women. Height, I think we should have at least like 5. We can do 5'8", the top. Weight, the lower range doesn't matter much. Maybe somebody who's healthy for this height range would be 65 types, or maybe 70. Like I'm 5'8" and I weigh 70 currently, and that's like little unhealthy for me. Complexion doesn't matter. Home state, let's pick out some home states. Let's do Andhra Pradesh, let's do Telangana, just if we're going for the southern states, because there's culture and shit. Let's leave this as it is. I don't even want to talk about it, but then I wanted to have it in because I think this is, I know people have that, like I think it's an important factor for them, but that's the only reason I have it there. Let's do bachelor's, master's, PhD. High school is a little too dumb. Field of study doesn't matter. Money doesn't matter. But maybe let's just like add in a couple of things. Anything about this, I don't think she would choose me, so I'm not going for anywhere about this. Job location, I think it's a little important. I don't want to work in, again, not my preferences, but Bangalore and Hyderabad. Just like putting some numbers out there. Wow, we are at 372. The work category doesn't matter. Currently settled in, let's say it doesn't matter. Tight, again, not my preferences, but let's just go non-vegetarian. Alcohol, maybe never. Sad socially, just to smoking, let's never, because very unhealthy. Drugs, obviously never. Again, not my preferences. Fitness routine, let's do, let's not have none. I think pets are again not my preferences, but pets, let's say they have to love it. They're like 18 matches. 18 matches. If I have so many filters. So this, I think this is a great reality check. I think the numbers on the what do you say? Numbers can be tweaked a little here and there, but I think it's a super crazy reality check that if you have so many filters, you're not going to have a lot of choice on who you're going to marry in life. Okay, that's it. I actually do not want to associate myself with this project, but then I thought I think out of all of the things that I've built, I think this is like one of the most interesting things that I've built. So again, not very proud of it, but also very proud of it is what I think. But yeah, I wanted to clip this too, and I think the clip is fine, so I'll close this. Let's go to the agenda once. We did this. Let's create a project for this. Okay. Project description is self-explanatory as Secret Santa app. Things to, I think why is important. Why not existing apps? Let's actually look at some existing Secret Santa apps. I think all of them are clunky, very bad UI. You need to give in your name, I mean email and all. Let's do 5 random names: Banu, Dinesh, Vamsi, Manas. We don't need exclusions. So this is the part that I don't like. Let's actually try to understand the flow. Check what. See, too much. So I want to build something that does not require login. Now it's just going to want to see this. Not right now, but I'll add to my notes. So basically he's my skip level manager. Okay. So that is one key item that I would want to ensure. Why not existing apps? The reason is they require you need to log in. I don't want to do it with login. Make it stand out. No login required. I want to use Google Shades to somehow make this work. So basically I'll tell you like what I'm thinking. So create a form. I just need name. And then refresh. So I think this should be fine. And once I publish this, I think it will be easier for everybody to fill in the form, right? And I somehow want to see responses. Yeah. So it comes up here, and I somehow want to use this Google Sheet. So I know this setup is little high, but only the admin has to do the setup. Like not everybody has to like log into the platform. So admin will set it up and send it across, and I think we'll just have like one single web app where it uses this Google Sheet as input, and it reads info from that, and it displays like who's matched to what. So that is the overall idea, that I don't want to have like OAuth. I wanted to read data from sheets. So that is not that easy. I mean, it can be hard, it can be easy. I don't know the name. I haven't dwelled into the detail here, but I think that is the idea, that I don't want no login required, and maybe I'll use Google Sheets to like plan this. I'll keep it in my tasks project. And this is done. I'll mark it as done. Postman Academico. Oh yeah, there was one important task that I want to like find. Maybe this is what we will do now. There was something else, right? I wanted to edit my portfolio. Yeah. The notifications are distracting. And there was something that I wanted to like. Yeah, I wanted to edit my portfolio. I think we'll do that. We'll do that and this 2 tasks. I will just be back. Hello, 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 hello. We're back again. Okay. Okay. Let's go. This I need badly. Let's do it. How can I get an AI API key? I also want to use Grok. This is nice. Can't trust these models, man. OpenAI talking about itself is like wild. Let's ask the same question in Claude. I want AI API keys to build some web apps. What are some providers in the market? See, Claude suggesting itself. OpenAI is suggesting itself. It was nice. Just YouTube. Go free.
Guys, what if I say that you can actually try to use the LLM APIs in your projects for free without actually paying the API credits? With the tool that I'm going to show you in this video, you can actually try to use the recent popular models like the DeepSeek and Qwen in your projects without you actually paying the API cost. Guys, what if I say that the key here, just copy the just click on newest and then choose the pricing from low to high. So if you just apply this particular filter, you'll come up with all the models that are completely free to use in your project. So as you can see, we have the models from Mistral, and also we have the models from Google Gemini. And as you can see, we have the recent model which is Qwen 2.5 as well. And also you can actually find the DeepSeek R1 as well. So you can like completely use these models in your projects completely for free. Like you just have this, just sign up with that as well.
Let's do some Reddit research as well. See, bro, I'm telling you, Bangalore is a dystopia. I've actually stopped going out because of the sheer amount of time it takes to commute in the city. What do I want to search for? OpenAI API keys. Not OpenAI, what I need then. AI API keys. Let's check. I'm neither of all of these. How is this such a derogatory term? Wait, we can do this? I'm gonna turn comment off for a minute. I got the API key. checking on Postman whether or not this is. I think it works. Says I've exceeded my quota. Let me go back. So I need to add some credits. These are the costs. Let's check with Google AI API key. Creating an API key, I don't want to expose it. Okay, I'm doing Google now. Check the body. This works. This works. Have some volume and feed here. The things that I can do. Why is this exposed right here? I don't like this monitor. I'll have to like stare at it like this, and I think it's like hurting my neck. I think this is. I think we got free epicases. I do not know how much. Quest per minute. I can do like 5. It's fine, it's not a lot. बढ़िया bro. I think life is sorted with free. Freight limits come and all we'll think of exceeding, but now I think this is done. Where was Croc? This does not give me first. But then I'm happy. We have Google, we don't need anything else. So I think it unblocks us to do a lot of stuff. So we did a couple of click farms. Because the main title of this video itself was I got some subs, but there should be an alert. I don't think it's working. Anywho, I think this. Let's check the API key. Okay. I don't want to make a lot of changes to the website, but maybe we'll do some minor ones. I think I've. Okay, I have two things that I want to do. Cannot see my code. Okay. Let me close all of these tabs. I hope I did not I hope I did not expose any API keys. Damn, this looks so good. Okay, what did I want to search? I wanted to search for my website. There's no favicon. Looks like a spam website. Need to fix that. Let's do that first. I found something on I found a nice little icon. Let me screen share. Just an icon. I want to add that in. Let's directly get into it. I think the fix is rather easy. His need to move this icon into that folder. Need to ask a dumb question. What is favicon.ico? I think it should be icon. Okay, so I think it still works. Let's do npm render. I want to run it locally. I see the icon, but I don't think it's a great icon. Let's find some icons. The Nightlism website that I've been using. I don't want data, I want hand drawn. Let's do flower. So thing is, I'll tell you the icon that I choose first. This, but it's transparent as well, so that's why it's looking like this. Snoopy, I'm tempted. Homer Simpson, I'm tempted. That's nice. I don't want Simpsons. Something that's hand drawn. So many doodles. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, just go ahead with that Minecraft then. Let's search for some animal. Maybe we'll keep Zelda. Rottweiler. Zelda. go ahead with Snoopy. That or sunflower. Let's just do sunflower. Where's that iOS sunflower? Oh, these are sunflowers. I don't want to copy it, I want an image of it. I save the image. Go there, copy it. And it's nice, no? That's good enough. Still plots. I've already connected it to my GitHub. It's working on that. Let's do it again. What I want to do is what is dude, it took me like second. Know what it did. The thing is, GitHub cannot I think I have one image that I want to add. final yet, but then I want to see like a preview of it. Let's just check this. Can I just copy this entire thing? Okay, let me just save it and then rerun. Nice. Looks good, guys. Looks good. I like the vibes. I think we can commit, but just want to sure one last thing. Okay, I'll just edit this. You know, I do not know how to edit images in Mac. I have to do it, guys. I'm gonna do it live. How to crop an image in MacBook. pretty sure we cannot do it. Command K. What are the exact instructions? I do not see the selection tool in my. What is specific ratio? So messed up. So messed up. Let me just send the picture to my phone and crop it. I hate Mac. I hate Mac. I hate Mac. Send the picture to myself. Got it. Let me edit this. Size should be 16:9. Send it back. Got it. Rename this. Save this. Save this. Close this. And I will hit reload here. I don't know if it is better, but I think I'm more in control. And it's fine. We'll add some more images, and I think we should be good. I think I should remove the career bit as well. Like, I think I should just remove all the side headings here. But good progress. I think I'll go out for dinner, but then I'll come back and then I think I'll work on the rest of the stuff. But the going is, I think. Actually, let me push these changes. Add. I should have checked. Check it remote. It's personal. Commit. Added favicon. Sunflower favicon plus updated early life image. Then let's do get push origin main. It's pushed. Nice. Now let's wait for a moment for this to be deployed in the actual website. But then I'm very bummed that like people subscribe to me and I didn't get the alert in here. no Favicon, still no Favicon. We know that works like. So basically now the code is deployed to Git, and from Git it is Vercel picks that, changes up, and it again deploys onto the domain. I'm waiting for that to happen. I have a quick question. How does Vercel make money? Really? It's crazy. It's not a Favicon. I have an image. I also have a Favicon. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let me open it up and I want to check with GPT once. This is not updated. This is updated, this is not. I want to check why. Send it some code. Think it will be present in. Which will be an index. I think it will be an index. I never knew this was the case. Hard. It doesn't work, but maybe we'll figure it out later. But actually, let me quickly check this in Chrome. Actually, Chrome does not have that UI button at all. Like, I think it's nice because it's like it's a repetition, but maybe it's better because like I have like two views, but doesn't matter. I think we're good. I will end the stream now. Maybe we'll make few more changes. I think I want to like make this website a little bit better, and I also have another idea that I want to move my old projects. So I have like a couple of other projects that I've did back in the day. It's called You Crock My World and Teji Sharaj. Both of these are like some fun ideas that I've had. So I want to bring them onto my site now that I actually have a domain. So that is it, guys. I will see you all later. Good stream. I gained 2 subscribers. I can't wait to go see who's subscribed. But thanks, guys. I think it's been a good stream. I will see you all later. Bye.